a normal day like any other. After a day's work, what can relax you better? It's well deserved with fishing. After a search for good lakes with a lot of fish, I hit something. No, it wasn't brown rock, but something much more interesting. A PS3 controller. So I quickly ran home. The interesting part is that I need a mini USB cable. Now the search challenge begins. I know everyone has something like that at home. But I remember it that I had a tight bond with him, and yes, I was right. I couldn't let the roads break like this. Now that I found it, let's try it. I connect the controller with a USB mini cable to see if something happens. Watch this video if you want to know everything you need to do to make the controller work on your PC.